Finally, it's time for Roman Reigns versus Seth freaking Rollins here at SummerSlam 2026. Seth freaking Rollins with his mask and a smoky entrance, looking like a demon, a nightmare of Roman Reigns. Seth the freaking Rollins is looking very dangerous tonight, and he is also very angry. Look at the smoke around Seth freaking Rollins, all fire. Look at the eyes of Seth Rollins, all black like a demon. Oh, here comes the king of WWE, the defending World Heavyweight Champion tonight. Tonight Roman Reigns will put his 110% against Seth freaking Rollins. Every time Roman Reigns faced the visionary Seth freaking Rollins in a championship match, he lost the matches. But this time Roman Reigns has to win in front of his family. Roman Reigns has to prove that he can defeat Seth freaking Rollins at the biggest stage. And tonight, the OTC is ready to defend his world title against the visionary, the revolutionary, the biggest rival of OTC, Seth freaking Rollins. Let's go. It's time for a big fight. Oh, pedigree by Rollins. Seth freaking Rollins counters the spear into a pedigree, but a kick out by the king of WWE. Roman Reigns powers out at 2.9. The kick out specialist, the undisputed OTC Roman Reigns. Seth freaking Rollins in utter shock, but he is also very confident that he can defeat and destroy Roman Reigns tonight. Telling fans to sing and vibe along with him. Seth freaking Rollins is going for the stomp. There you go. Bang! Roman Reigns head on the ring mat. Oh, close line by Roman Reigns. A thunderous, powerful close line by the OTC. Rocks Rollins, a spear by Roman Reigns. This may be the end for the visionary here at SummerSlam 2026. Look at Reigns. Look at Reigns. He wants the destruction of Seth Rollins. Paul Heyman is also here at ringside. He is supporting Roman Reigns. Oh, a spear! A spear by Roman Reigns. Second back-to-back spear. A brutal sound beating for Seth Rollins tonight at SummerSlam. And Seth Rollins pass out. Seth freaking Rollins lost to Roman Reigns. Reigns defeated Rollins via submission. Retains the World Heavyweight Championship. And still your World Heavyweight Champion, and still your King of WWE Roman Reigns. Tonight Roman Reigns finally defeated Seth, but oh no, Seth in Shield gear, destroying Roman Reigns. Bang! And now Rollins picks Reigns up. He wants his revenge. Buckle bomb. A pedigree. Oh no, a stomp. Kick out by Reigns in the very last moment. After that stomp, Roman Reigns is in trouble now. Reigns with a right hand rocks Rollins, and now Reigns got the chair, smashes Seth Rollins with it. Roman Reigns destroying the visionary Seth freaking Rollins. Chair shot after chair shot after chair shot. Seth Rollins defeated Roman Reigns here. But why disqualification? Oh, Roman is still your world champion, and that's why he's destroying Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins messed with Roman Reigns tonight and got paid for it with those chair shots. And now Jey Uso putting the Ula Fala around the neck of Roman Reigns. Jimmy and Jey Uso are here. Roman Reigns is laughing at Seth Rollins. Oh, Seth Rollins from behind attacks the OTC Roman Reigns. Seth Rollins out of nowhere attacks the king of WWE, the visionary, giving a warning to this NBA player. Oh, he is standing in the way. Superman punch by Roman Reigns. Roman got some time to recover from the attack of Seth Rollins, and now he roars, rocks Rollins with a spear. Seth Rollins has to run away, and now Rollins in Oba Femi versus Braun Breaker, Austin Theory. Tag team match. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Braun Breaker trying to scare Seth Rollins. And now Austin Theory mocking Oba Femi by doing the Oba Femi walk. Oh! He used a cheap shot on Oba Femi, referee stopping the ruler. And now the Vision doing some cheating here. And again Austin Theory mocking Oba Femi, but soon he will pay for it. Oba Femi defeated Brock Lesnar in a Hell in a Cell match at SummerSlam 2026 Night 1. In the main event, Brock Lesnar said Oba Femi is the future of WWE. Oba Femi is the next face of the company after Roman Reigns. And now Seth freaking Rollins trying to fight back against the Vision. As Oba Femi is desperate to get attacked from Seth. And now Seth is fighting. Bang! Destroying this pole from Austin Theory. And now a clap. Braun Breaker, Rollins escapes and makes a tag to Oba Femi. Now mock the ruler of Austin Theory. Clothesline. Another clothesline. Austin Theory is getting paid for what he did moments ago. Spine buster. Oba Femi is feeling it. The ruler on the hunt of the Vision. The Vision may lost their vision after this brutal sound beating on a low blow by Maxime Dupri. The Vision was about to lose their tag team titles. And now Austin Theory is laughing as his girlfriend helped them by destroying the poles and rocket of Seth Rollins. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. Oba Femi coming back inside the ring, but he is also very tired. After having a brutal match against the Beast Incarnate Brock Lesnar, Oba Femi is here in this tag team match with Seth Rollins. And now Braun Breaker is looking to destroy the Visionary. Going for the torpedo spear on Oba Femi. Spine buster, super kick by Rollins. Subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Fall from grace time. Rollins. Super Cup Storm. Fall from grace. Thanks for watching.